Welcome to Tweak a Garage. You know why I never talk in these videos? Because I suck at it. This is like my 10th take, but here we go. We're working on the Jeep LJ today. I want to get the center section, the subframe installed. I had Andrew at Mayhem Metalworks design it for me. It's a shop my son works at. They do high-end fab, off-road stuff. They build some really bitchin' stuff. So he built me a subframe that's going to hold my triangulated or double triangulated 4-link in the rear and the 3-link up front. Kind of built it around the stretch and everything else I got going on. I didn't want really long links. I want to be somewhere in the neighborhood of 40 or 42 inches. So he broke out the CAD, designed it up for me, sent it out to Laser Nut to have it cut and bent, and then it came back to the shop where they jigged it up and did the final welding. I've had it a month or two. It's time to get it in. I want to get that locked into the frame before I cut the back half off and install the GenRight back half. So today's the day. Appreciate you watching the channel. I hope you enjoy the content. Please like and subscribe. And without further ado, let's get started.
Pretty basic, so it's going to be tight racing tonight. But yeah, just stay my stationary and carry this momentum into the night show.
In between the bolt holes.
Yeah, pretty stoked.
Like one each or two?
Next one, just like one in the middle, in the middle, in the
No,
middle.
in the middle? Okay.
Yeah. Too tight.
Alright, you got it, old geezer? I'm ready to rock.
You're breathing like Darth Vader, you got it?
Should have worn my roller skates. It's not that bad.
Yeah.
Not bad.
Oh, your whole tranny situation might be in the way right now.
I might need to take the trans mount off. Okay, I think your little fingers that you thought might need to get grounded off need to get grounded off.
Mine's up and in.
Oh, is it? Oh, well, what are we hitting? Mine is not. Why can't I push it over to you?
Because mine's touching the frame.
Okay, lower it. Just a little bit. We might have to grind the fingers off, like you said. Do we know where it needs to be front to back, though?
Get it up in until it fits and then push it all the way
But
forward.
I think it
until
needs to
doesn't.
go back then more. We need to go back like 6 inches. A little more.
It's too far. This is way too far back.
But, are you up and in?
No.
Okay, I'm just barely in.
Oh, now mine's kind of in.
Okay, go ahead. Those are tight. I'm up and in.
So am I. Now we're hitting your tranny.
Where?
Right on the trans mount.
So we need to take the trans mount off.
Yeah.
And it does need to come forward more.
Okay. Well, yeah, but we just need to get it up right now and then push it all the way forward until it literally stops moving forward, and that's where it goes.
Okay, we should probably take that trans mount off though, because we're not
Yes.
drilled.
Yes.
So,
Yes.
okay, let's lower it. Are you in?
Yeah. And there's little, I see.
It
There's
definitely needs to go forward a lot.
There's a little bracket on your frame that I see over there. Right above the skid. You see that's holding the hard lines on?
Yeah.
Are those going to be in the way if we scoot forward?
Depends on how far we scoot forward, which I think we need to scoot forward a lot. So let's scoot forward some more, and we might have to grind the fingers because this front one here is supposed to be touching, right?
Yes.
Not even fucking close.
Yeah, no, there's mine.
So it needs to go forward quite a bit. So I think we need to grind the fingers.
Yep.
Right.
Okay, if there's a gap, I can fill that.
All right, we'll grind them on both sides, right?
Yeah, you grind them evenly on both sides.
Okay. Alrighty, here we go.
Let's get it up in the frame and then.
Okay, I'm all the way up. Well, before you clamp, let's measure. Hair past a quarter. 15 and a hair under a quarter. So your side needs to go. Do we have a dead blow or a sledge?
Real quick.
Pretty good.
It's pretty gappy right here though.
Where?
Up the back corner.
I don't know what to tell you. I mean, maybe.
I mean, that's it though. That's fine. Just mold it.
Not that bad. Maybe, do you want to move the jack back further now that you got the front clamped?
Here, put your hand under the skid plate. Hold it up real quick.
Oh, I don't know if I can do that. Johnny, can you grab this corner? Push up. Ready? Nope. Okay, that's good. You're jacking the car up. But come center.
Oh, well,
come forward more.
Now it's like not gapped.
Well, come, just hold that, Johnny. Okay, you're good right there. That's centered. Jack it up. I still have about the same gap.
Not over here.
Loosen these fronts just a little
Better
bit.
here.
Just drop the fronts down just a little bit. There you go. That's a uniform gap now. That's a uniform gap. Weld it up.
Okay, get the welder ready.
All right, Gapplebees. Hey, grab the lotion so I can rub your feet while you weld. Love!
Okay.
Or Jesus Christ, this kid.
I need to get his pillow. How's the Jeep going, Scott?
Not too bad. Let me check with the Spencer.
Why do you have deviate crossed out on your shirt?
Bro, there's two things you don't get from China. Your cutoff wheels and your body armor. Gen right all the way. So the skid plate comes with two tabs to mount a transmission cross member. So the center section can be removed and still support the transmission. So I'm going to start with this longer one first and mock it up and see how we fit.